Diagram challenge. I'm your host, your teacher. Good times. So we're going to challenge you to see if you can draw a force diagram for the box, or I'm just going to refer to it as the object. The object that Stickman is pulling at a bit of an angle. All right. So that's your job. You got to draw a force diagram for this as your system. All right. And Stickman's pulling it at an angle. All right, with rope. I'm guessing rope. I don't know, whatever. Okay, that's your challenge. So get her done. Okay, you do that. Good times. You're done because you should have paused it after that. But if you didn't, now pause it now because I'm going to show you the answer. All right, if you got the answer, then you're good to go. If not, then I'm going to kind of walk you through some of the key mental processes you've taken. All right, so here we go. Here we go. The answer to be revealed is wait, yeah, there we go, jazz hands, yay. All right, there's your answer. All right, so look it over, think about it, see if it's what you got. If not, then I'm going to talk about where all the stuff came from, break it down for you, and we'll see where it goes. So let's do that now. So first of all, you got to choose your system. Your system is going to be this object. Like I said, you could call it a box, don't really care. Then we know it's going to constant velocity in the x-plane, so that's very important. And so when I look at all this stuff over here, I'm going to redraw my system. So like I said, I chose object. You could have written box, that's fine. I don't know why I didn't write box, it's so fewer letters. But then I'm going to ask myself what forces are acting on this system. So when I did that, I said, okay, well, let's do a rough. Okay, so I can just do a rough sketch over here. So I said, well, this is my system. What's interacting with my system? So basically everything else goes away. Okay, this is all basically gone. Okay, but there's still an angle there. But that's my system. So I said, well, okay, gravity's pulling me down, and the Earth's pushing me up, or the ground's pushing me up, and then I'm getting pulled at an angle. So I'm going to draw that in an angle. So I'm being pulled at an angle here. So that means that since there's an angle, I have to have a force tension in the y-plane, and I have to have a force of tension in the x-plane. All right. And then finally, if I'm going at constant velocity, something's got to slow me down because this has to balance out with something. So there has to be something pushing, pulling, acting in that direction. And, well, it's on the ground. So logically, that's going to be friction. All right. And then whenever you do your stuff, remember on by notation. So it's the force of whatever on your system by the outside object. What's your system in contact with? All right, and then again, double tick marks here because we have balanced forces vertically. These two are working together against this guy. And then we have balanced forces here because this one's working with that one because, again, constant velocity, that means balanced forces. All right, and I'm just going to assume it's not accelerating vertically because that'd be awkward if it was bouncing on the ground. All right, so hope that helped. Go through again. You can watch some videos. You can try this one again, see if it works for you. But yeah, see you next time.